Hello, my prepper posse. Hope everybody's doing great. Well, keep on working it day by day anyway, Look at this. Been a little busy. New stairwells. It's fantastic. I'm so glad to get these put in. This is the back entrance usually, But here's the other one. They needed to be done. They look great. They were getting, they were getting old. I'm gonna come back here a little bit. Yeah, they look great. Oh, feels good to have something that's, visually much better than it was. We got a pile to get rid of, pile with stuff. Of course, we'll probably go through it and keep the stuff that's still usable. But I think it looks great. This is a shorty. I don't have a whole lot to say. But I could add probably to the freedom video and say that I think privacy is a big part of freedom. That's why we closed the bathroom door. But even, being out in the rural areas, I miss it so much. Because there's nobody out there. Like being out on my land, it's private. Nobody's there. So that feels good. That's kind of like freedom. Enjoy your evening. Enjoy your day. And don't forget to play. See you.